What's going on, guys? This is your boy Electro Demo. I've got 146,000 miles, actually 146,089 miles on my electric vehicle. That's pretty good. That's really pretty good. That means that I've driven 146,000 miles on this vehicle without any petrol. Will you believe that? This is the Electro Vehicle and Eco Living channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, this is my Nissan Leaf. It's a 2012, and you can tell it's a 2012 because it's got the original European turning signals, which stopped after 2012. 13 and uppers don't have it. It's got the alloy wheels. This is the LS model, tinted glass. So this counts on its second battery. You can see as far as the bars, I'm only on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. So I've lost 4 bars. The interior is pretty good. I would rather have leather because it's kind of sometimes hard to clean. The one thing about this Nissan, the body build is really good. I mean, it's still solid. The door, you can listen to the door. Look at that, solid doors. And the back door is solid. Pretty good. No rust, no scratch. Oops, did take it to the car wash. I guess I should take this tape off. I do live in Atlanta, and somebody so I got hit by somebody from riding a bike. There's a little that you can hardly see it in the front. So this is it. This is the 2012 Nissan Leaf. Oh, one of the things, brake pads. You can see the brake pads here. These are the original brake pads, never been changed, and still no scratch on the rotors. The tires probably have to be changed. Besides that, nothing much. You could go into the trunk real quick. Let's see here. Now, of course, this has the original controller, which was designed to look like a 4-cylinder before they got smart and changed it and realized, hey, this is electric. Why are we trying to look like a gasoline car? So yeah, so this is the original charger, which this is the slower version. It only goes about I think when you try to charge it on the L2, it only goes up to every hour about 16 miles. So it's not that fast. But it doesn't really matter because over here it has the demu, which is the quick charger, which is just as fast as anything else. Well, there you have it. Of course, it has the fog lights, which I always leave them on when I'm driving because I think it looks cool. All right, so let me close this again. Back up, pan out. And there you have it. 2012 Nissan Leaf, original brake pads, no service. The only thing I've done was the communication module. Change it so I get, I believe a 3G communication model. So that's it. I use it every day in Atlanta's traffic. Real good to be behind somebody and overtake. And of course, if you're on the highway doing 40 and you need to step on the pedal to go from 40 to 75 up a hill, no other car can touch it. Alright guys, that's it.
Just a quick note, this video was put together for people who already have a Nissan Leaf. And also it was put together for people who are interested to see what the Nissan Leaf will look like after it's been driven for a long time and it has received high mileage. If you are new to the electric car field or you're thinking about getting a used Nissan Leaf, please subscribe. I have another video coming in a couple of days that's going to talk about the basics of the battery capacity, what you could do about a car that has poor batteries, how to replace them, the third party, and some good stuff that are coming in that are now available. So if you have a used Nissan Leaf, do not throw it away. Those cars would run forever. We've got some options.
Alright guys, I told you this car did 146,000 miles. I've proven it to you. Stay tuned for the next episode on electric vehicles and eco living. Peace out.